Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a locker for your personal data. So many of times we need a locker to protect our files or folders, and we want to hide them that no one else can open them. So for that we find a lot of softwares. We find a bunch of softwares and download them, but they don't actually work. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can lock your personal information in a folder, and which will be hide and will be protected with a password. So for this guys, I got a script for you, and it's a folder locking script. So what you guys need to do is to put it in a folder. Then after that you have to save it. Now I'm going to showing you how you're actually going to do that. So this is our script, and you need to search a notepad and and just open up here, and if I just copy this and close this one and open a new notepad, okay, and paste all that script here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we have put it as script in the notepad folder, and now what we are going to do, we are going to choose a password for our folder, the locker folder. So for that we need to come here and type your password here. We are gonna delete this and put our password, whatever password you want to put here. So I'm gonna use this VULMS. Okay, so just you need to save the file but with a different extension. So we're going to save it and save in the desktop and all files, and now locker.bat, .bat. Okay, now we are done with this, and we just now need to save this. Okay, we saved it. Now we're going to close this, and we got a locker.bat here. Okay, so this is our file which we just created here. Now we just need to double click it. What this will do, this will create a new folder which name is locker. So this is our new folder which we just created, and we are gonna open this folder. You can see it's a simple folder with a locker title on it, and if we just now the next step we are going to do, we are going to double click the locker again to protect it with a password. Yeah, and this is asking, are you sure you want to lock the folder? Press Y. If you don't want to lock this folder with the password, press N. So we have the folder is locked and you are not able to see it on the desktop. If you want to again see the folder or make it visible, you need to double click this locker again, and it will ask you the password. So here guys, you are going to put the password which we put it in that script. So it was, in my case it was VULMS. Hit enter, and now you will see the locker folder again. So guys, I will put the script in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.